Slipper is ideal for all types of fitted bathroom and kitchen furniture, such as serving hatches, cupboards, and applications made from light wood or chipboard to a maximum weight of 9 kilograms. Within this kit, 2 standard flush pulls are supplied. If you choose to fit these, then you will need to route 2 32mm diameter holes halfway up each door to accommodate the hardware prior to installation. The kit. 2 tracks. Fittings pack containing the sliders, stops, flush pulls and guides. The tools. Drill, tape measure, screwdriver, manual or electric. Fitting the hardware to the door. Firstly, mark out the position of the nylon sliders on the door. There is no set measurement for this, but ensure that whatever measurement you choose is equal on both sides so the weight of the door is distributed evenly across the 2 sliders. Using these positions, drill the pilot holes for the sliders. Using a manual or electric screwdriver, attach the sliders to the doors using the screws provided. Ensure that the doors and the position of the hardware are consistent. If you are fitting the flush pulls provided, insert them into the pre-routed holes and use a little adhesive to secure them if needed. Installing the track. Mark out the position of the track. Use the punched track to mark out the position for the pilot holes. Drill the pilot holes. Screw the track to the lintel using a manual or electric screwdriver. Repeat the process for the second track. Ensure that it runs parallel to the first track by measuring a distance of the door thickness plus 3mm, marking the full length to ensure consistency. Hang the first door on the rail using the sliders by locating it into the track at an angle of approximately 30 degrees. Mark out the position of the first guide. Once you have identified this, you will need to drill the pilot holes, then remove the door from the track. Now you have full access to the area. Use the screws provided to secure the guide into its final position. Hanging the doors. Rehang the first door, followed by the second door and fit the second guide. This will stop the doors rocking when in action. Fitting the stops. Finally, fit the door stop behind the door hung on the front track. Additional fitting kits are available to hang additional doors. For more information, visit www.pchenderson.com.